Good morning, everybody. My name is Chris Honig, and welcome to MarineMax. Today I'm going to be showing you the 2019 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. The Montauk was completely redesigned from the keel up in 2018, and they did an amazing job with it. I want to give you a quick tour. We're going to start on the aft of the boat with a Mercury 115 4-stroke. This is an upgraded motor for the 17 Montauk. Also have 4 rod holders back here. And at the other side, I don't know if you can see it, have a nice teak swim platform with a ladder. We've also optioned out this boat with a nice aft bench seat, which can come down to a full sun pad, which is a real nice feature in this boat when you have a lot of kids and extra family members that want a seating. As we come up to the helm's chair, we have a nice aft bench seat, forward and reverse, with a 20-gallon live well underneath. So this boat's a great boat for fishing and for family water sports, getting around to the islands. Also, nice center console for storage with battery switch. And we've also put a Fusion stereo with Bluetooth speakers on this boat as well. So we come up to the bow. We have a cooler with cushions and backrests and integrated rod holders in. And then a teak bow table that'll mount right here so you can have friends and family around for appetizers in the evening. We also have a fish cooler, insulated fish cooler, and separated anchor locker, and then a trolling motor mount if you want to add a trolling motor on this to be an ultimate fishing machine. So thank you for taking a quick look at our 2019 Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. Again, my name is Chris Honig, and if you have any questions, please give me a call at 910-256-8100. Thanks and have a great day.